In this video, I want to show you something very easy to learn. I'm going to show you a couple secrets about the light indicator that is telling you what's happening. The typical misconception is that the red light indicator is telling you that there's something wrong. That is not what it's doing at all. In fact, what it's trying to tell you is, I am operating, and sometimes it'll tell you something is keeping me from operating. So she's going to be telling you what's happening. I'm going to show you a trick about the gates that will be really easy. Today I'm just going to call the space to 01. I'm going to press OK. The gate's going to raise, right? Okay, so far so good. Okay, now I'm going to obstruct the gate. I'm obstructing the gate sensor, and I'm going to press the green button. Okay? You notice that the gate is not lowered, right? But you also notice this. The red light is not turning on. And that is because when you press, the gate's not turn and the light doesn't turn on, the machine is saying, I would love to close the gate, but the gate's obstructed. See that? Press the button. No red light. Red light. Return. Okay? Second tip. Overlink sensors. We have one on the front, we have one on the back. Look at the other videos to discuss why. Pay attention to the red light indicator. It's blinking. You press the green button. The door doesn't close. You have a sensor that is overlinked. In other words, it's being obstructed by a vehicle. Okay? Alright, I hope this tip helps.